So it's the 35th anniversary for the Air Max 1s, and don't get me wrong, they've been pumping out some really nice bangers, and believe it or not,
I don't even have one in my collection.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. My name is Amar, and on this channel we review a variety of sneakers, those sneakers mostly being of my favourite pairs and those mostly being of Nike branding. So in today's video we'll be looking at an Air Max 1. Now it's the 35th anniversary for the Air Max 1s. They've been pumping them out. To be honest, I don't know why, because they've been giving us so much, especially with the patterns and that. And all in all, you just can't beat the Air Max 1. Right, so without going on any further, let's start off this video by looking at the box and packaging. I will start off with a short introduction, so if you're new along here, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Please make sure to hit that notification bell and stay up to date with any of my videos. So, it's the 35th anniversary for the Air Max 1s.
I don't even have one in my collection.
With that being said, it's never too late to add one to your collection. Let's continue on this video by looking at the box and packaging. All in all, you'd be surprised that Nike would still be giving us these standard boxes. Nike's Nike, and this is what we got. You would have thought Nike would have given us something a bit exciting to look at, considering this pair is a premium, but it is what it is. And if I just go ahead and read off the label, Nike Air Max 1 Premium colorway is Mineral Slate Deep Royal Blue. So if I just go ahead and peel back this lid, we can have a look at the packaging. I have removed the kit, so peel this back. We have that standard like tissue paper, nothing out of the ordinary. So, the moment we've all been waiting for. Here is the Air Max 1 Premium Dirty Denim. Right, so I'll just start off this video by giving you my personal opinion. Whew. This is what I'm talking about. If you want quality, personally, this is the one. Like, I did try hitting on those Trevor Scotts, and there's a certain area on this that I'm getting vibes to, but we'll get into that as I get further into the video. Right, so what I tend to do in my videos, I try to cover certain aspects of the sneaker. We'll talk about materials, we'll talk about sizing, and we'll talk about availability. All in all, it is Nike's 35th anniversary. They've been giving us some good stuff, you know. I got to give it, when it comes to Air Maxes, the British people love them. They did give us those crep hemps, which were super cool. They sold out more than what this pair did. So I'll just start off by talking about the materials. I'll start off around the front of the end of the sneaker. I'll work my way up and all along the rest of the sneaker. So if we just start off with your mudguard and your toe box, it is a really nice aged suede material. In my opinion, it looks really, really nice. And along your mudguard, you have a double stitching which runs all along your mudguard. If we move along towards the upper and we have a look at your lacing panels and your sort of side panel consist of one panel, and you have that blue shade of denim, looks really clean. Lace holes are also, you also have this blue stitching, it's a really nice detail. And just above your toe box, you have this lighter shade panel of denim. And looking at your laces, you have these nice clean sail laces. Outer silhouette, you have a Nike swoosh on your mudguard. People love that, and I think it's a really nice detail. And if we're looking at your swoosh, we have this nice royal swoosh. And to the touch, it does feel of nubuck material. And also I did miss out a detail on your ankle collar, your lacing eyelets. You have a lighter denim panel, which is just there. And if we're looking at your ankle collar, you also have that denim material which runs along your ankle collar. And your sock liner, you have that royal blue colourway in your sock liner. And you do have that Nike Air branding in your insole. Just push along to the back of the sneaker. We are looking at your heel panel. We look at the bottom quarter of your heel panel. You have that same aged suede material, and it's of double stitching, and it's sort of a beige stitching. And your upper portion of the heel panel, which is this area around here, you have that same denim material. And just to top it all off, they've double stitched it all along your upper portion of your heel panel, and it's in that royal blue coloured stitch. And if we're looking at your branding on your heel tab, so you've got your Air branding, you've got your Nike branding, and you've got your swoosh, pretty clean. It's like a yellow gold stitch. If we're just coming towards your midsole, now this is where I'm getting sort of Trevor Scott vibes. Now that was one sneaker I tried to go for, but boy, it wasn't happening. I must have entered about 10 raffles and it wasn't happening. And it definitely is up there in one of my favourites of Air Max 1s. In my opinion, the midsole is a sort of lemon wash midsole to give that sort of aged look. I don't think it's a bad detail. I could have gone with white, but I think it's a really nice detail in my opinion, and I'm all for it. I'm a fan. And if we're looking at your air bubble, you also have that sort of lemony wash air bubble. Really nice detail. Now the tongue is actually of denim material. It does have a slight padding feeling to it. And the tongue label itself is of canvas material, and it's in that royal blue colourway. And you have your Nike branding as well in that white text. And last but not least, we have this beautiful burnt orange outsole. Now a lot of people, in my opinion, will class this as a gum sole. It is definitely a darker gum sole. You do also have some speckles in there, which could actually suggest regrind material. Right, so I've just gone and took out the insole because I just noted this at the last minute. But guys, you lot gotta hit me up on this because this insole is very nice. The material seems of suede material. Now, that's what I think in my personal opinion. Now, it is in that nice royal blue colour that we have the sock line and the swoosh, so it's a really nice little touch there. You also have the Nike branding there as well, which is in a white text. So I'm going to talk to you about sizing.
Now this can actually be a really weird subject,
because we all have different types of feet, so I'm just going to give you my personal, honest and humble opinion. With this Air Max 1, I have gone true to size. It does, in my opinion, fit slightly snug, but I'm actually happy with this size. Now you can actually size up, but personally I don't mind. So do consider that they do fit slightly snug in my opinion. Other than that, come on now, you can't tell me this ain't a nice sneaker. Sorry guys, I might not have the right pants on, it is what it is. But look at them anyway, look how fire they look. With all that said, have you copped this pair? Because I'm telling you guys, I'm definitely feeling these. If we're going to talk about availability now, the day they hit, there wasn't really much hype behind it really. Personally, you either like them or you don't. I had a feeling that there would be a lot of returns. They are still available. Do check out Soul Supplier. I do say that in some of my videos. They are fantastic app. Choose all the silhouettes you're interested in. Stick your reminders on, stick your notifications on, and you'll get all your updates. But other than that, I do believe I've covered everything I said I'll cover in this video. I appreciate if you've stuck around, I appreciate your support. And if you've not brought this silhouette and you've watched this video, I hope this video has helped you make a decision whether to cop or drop. In my personal opinion, I'm feeling this, I'm liking it, it all works for me. Other than that, why not let me know what you think yourself. I'm about to end the video. If you stuck around, I appreciate your support. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, hit that notification bell and stay up to date with any of my videos. And with all that out of the way, I hope to catch you on the next one.